Well, I've lived all my life. I was born in Bellharbour in County Clare, in the heart of the Burren. And that's a long time ago, about 89 years ago, and I'm still there, so thank God for that. My father taught me my first two tunes in 1932, the year of the Eucharistic Congress. And the two tunes he taught me in 1932 were Clare's Dragoons and The Wearing of the Green. Oh, I didn't compose anything until I was 60 or 70 years of age. No. To the States in 1952 when I played with Paddy Killorn, God rest him. I played for 3 hours with Paddy Killorn in 1952, and that was the highlight of my musical career. I think the first time that Kieran McMahony came around recording music at our house, that was the one thing that I will never forget. I think that's what got me rightly into music after Kieran doing the programme in our house in Bellharbour. I'd like to be remembered for the music that I've played for the past 80 years, or 82 years. I'm playing music for 82 years, and I hope that will continue and that I'll be recognised for that.